Ah yes, Weimar, meine Ladung ist fast geöffnet. Ich habe 2 CDs zu verkaufen. Einmal kostet 10 Euro, die andere ist 5 Euro, beide mit Autogramm. Hier ist eine Song von neither of those CDs actually. Das ist auch meine erste CD. I was very much in love with a girl once, but she took off to the other side of the world and she didn't come back. But I wrote a song about it. This one's called Fly Like a Bird. Something in her eyes that spoke ships that pass at night. Why I held her tight, but I knew she could have been. After she was gone, and I was alone in my room. This room. Cannot believe that it's me she needs, and she'll fly like a bird and come back. There's a whole world to choose from. Anyone else can feel wrong. She flies like a bird. Come back home. Every night I dream, I see you dancing in my mind. Everything feels right, 'cause I know she's taken far away. Wish got down on my knees. Baby, please, please don't leave, 'cause you feel like family. Cannot believe that's me she needs, and she'll fly like a bird. Come back home. There's a whole world to choose from. Anyone else to feel wrong. Will she fly like a bird? Come back. Yeah, yeah. It's me she needs, she'll fly like a bird, come back home. There's a whole world out there. Multi-million-dollar question is, does she really care? Will she fly? Cannot believe that it's me she needs. Will she fly like a bird? Come back home. Oh, there's a whole world to choose from. Anyone else is gonna feel wrong. Will she fly like a bird? Come back home. Oh, will she fly like a bird? come back home. Vielen Dank, Freunde, Schnacker, eine Pause. Komm mal, 5 Minuten so. Bis dann.